Okay, listen, if you're a litigating attorney, I know you're tired of fighting. I know that you're tired of not getting paid on time or not getting paid at all. I know you hate being tied to the court system and their schedule, and I know that you've thought about transitioning to estate planning. And with good reason. Estate planning is booming. It's dependent upon life's two constants, death and taxes. Can you think of a better time, a better climate to be transitioning into estate planning or elder law? I know you became an attorney for one of two primary reasons. Number one, you wanted to make a difference. And number two, you wanted to make a lot of money. But it feels like in your current practice, you're not doing a whole lot of either one. You know it's time for a change, but you're still nervous to start something new. You're overwhelmed with how to brand yourself. You're overwhelmed with how to acquire new clients, what to charge, how to close those clients at premium fees. Listen, I get it. My name's James Campbell with Integrity Marketing Solutions, and we've helped hundreds of clients transition from a practice of litigation into a practice of estate planning that much better suits their lifestyle, their pace, their personality, and sets them up for a long-term career where they can build extraordinary wealth. I encourage you to not wait any longer. The best first step is to watch our masterclass. You can do so by clicking the link below this video. In that masterclass, you're going to learn the exact steps that you need to take to have a successful and thriving estate planning practice. I'll see you there.